Hi guys, it's me Dinesh Chandu. Today our topic is secrets of yugas or eras. All of you remember whatever I say in this video, it is as per our Indian mythologies. Okay, let's go to the topic. Yuga or Kali Yuga. We often listen these two words in our daily life. Most of us know that we are living in Kali Yuga and after completion of Kali Yuga, Satya Yuga will start again. Now we are going to discuss about yugas and their secrets. According to Panchama Vedas of India, we have four yugas. They are Krita Yuga or Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, and the fourth one is Kali Yuga. Present, we are living in this Kali Yuga. Here, the duration of Krita Yuga is 17 lakhs 28,000 human years. The duration of Treta Yuga is 12 lakhs 66,000 human years. The duration of Dwapar Yuga is 8 lakhs 64,000 human years. And finally, the duration of this Kali Yuga is 4 lakhs 32,000 human years. The sum of these four yugas is 43 lakhs 20,000 human years. The combination of these four yugas is known as Mahayugam. And these 43 lakhs 20,000 human years are like 43.2 seconds to the Lord Brahma, the creator of the world. Like that, Mahayugam is equal to 43 lakhs 20,000 human years. 71 Mahayugas are equal to Manvantaram. 14 Manvantaras are equal to Kalpam. 2 Kalpams are 28 Manvantaras are equal to 1 day to Lord Brahma. 200 Kalpams are equal to 100 years to Brahma. That means Brahma's death. If 2000 Kalpams are happened to Lord Vishnu, that is equal to 1 day to Lord Shiva. If 200 Kalpams are happened to Lord Shiva, that is equal to 1 second to Adipara Shakti. If we compare our age with Adipara Shakti's age, our age is nothing in front of Adipara Shakti's age. It's very difficult to accept these calculations and understanding these calculations. But according to our Indian mythologies, these are the facts. 365 human years are equal to 1 day to gods. This period is known as Holy Year of the Gods. If 12,000 holy years are happened, that period is known as Mahayugam, which means 43 lakhs 20,000 human years. The period of 1000 Mahayugas means 1 daytime to the Brahma. Another 1000 Mahayugas are 1 night time to the Brahma. We know that daytime plus nighttime is equal to 1 full day. This type of 365 full days are like 1 year to him. This type of 100 years are his lifetime. That means after completion of his lifetime, a new Brahma is born. Like that, 6 Brahmas are born and died. The names of Brahmas are as follows: Manava Brahma, Chakshuva Brahma, Vachika Brahma, Sravana Brahma, Janma Brahma, Nasika Brahma, and 7th one is Andajanma Brahma. Now, we are in the time of Andajanma Brahma, the 7th Brahma. This Brahma was born in the lotus, which was born in the Lord Vishnu's navel. Now, this Brahma is running 51st year. Like that, in Brahma's life, 27 Mahayugas were completed and now it's running 28th Mahayugam. Now, let us talk about Manvantaras. Manvantaram means the time which is ruled by Manu. In lifetime of Brahma, there will be 14 Manvantaras and 15 nights of Manvantaras will also be existed. As discussed previously, Manvantaram is divided into 71 Mahayugas. Here, Manu is a person like king. Like that, 14 Manvantaras have 14 Manus. They are Swayambhava Manu, Swalochisa Manu, Uttama Manu, Tamasa Manu, Raivata Manu, Chakshuva Manu, Vaivasatva Manu. Now, we are in the time of Vaivasatva Manu. 8th one is Surya Savarnika Manu, Daksha Savarnika Manu, Brahma Savarnika Manu, Dharma Savarnika Manu, Bhadra Savarnika Manu, Deva Savarnika Manu, and the 14th one is Indra Savarnika Manu. Now let us briefly discuss about each yuga. First one is Krita Yuga, the golden age. Before the beginning of Vaivasatva Manvantara, a tsunami happened. The whole earth was filled with water. Then Lord Vishnu came in Matsyavataram and saved Satyavrata, the son of Sun, and Saptarishis, sitting them in a boat and travelled safely till the completion of that tsunami. After Vaivasatva Manvantara began, they were saved and came onto the earth. Like that, Krita Yuga started. The duration of Krita Yuga was 17 lakhs 28,000 human years. The lifetime of human in Krita Yuga was 1 lakh years. The height of human was 32 feet. In Krita Yuga, virtue stood on four pillars like truth, mercy, penance, and donation. Everyone always used to love God, pray to God, and believe in God. Since they were completely dedicated to God, even gods and goddesses also used to live together with them. There was equity among the humans. There was no partialities. There were no kings and soldiers. All were common and all were equal. There was 100% care, 100% love, 100% loyalty, and 100% honesty among the people. Nobody was selfish. There was only one season, that is rainy season, so that the crops were well repaid. No one died of hunger. There was no pollution and there were no diseases. The water in the oceans used to be sweet. Everybody used to love others and respect others. If people suffer from demons, Lord Vishnu used to take an incarnation and kill the demons and save the people. In Krita Yuga, Lord Vishnu took 5 avatars. They are Matsyavataram, Kurmavataram, Varahavataram, Narasimhavataram, and Vamanavataram. Like that, Krita Yuga ended with Vamanavataram. As soon as that, Treta Yuga begins. Second one is Treta Yuga, the Silver Age. The duration of Treta Yuga was 12,96,000 human years. The lifetime of human in Treta Yuga was 10,000 years. The height of human was 21 feet. In Treta Yuga, virtue stood on 3 pillars like mercy, penance, and donation. That means people started lying and almost left the truth. Devotion on God among the people started to decrease. A gap was made between humans and gods. Humans used to live on the earth and gods used to live in the heaven. If people need gods, they used to go to the gods and visit them. In this yuga, humans are divided into different categories like kings, soldiers, common people, etc. The great Ramayana was held in Treta Yuga itself. In this Treta Yuga, Lord Vishnu was born as Parasuram and Sriram and killed those demons who made people suffer and saved the people. Like that, Treta Yuga was ended with the death of Sriram, and as soon as that, Dwapara Yuga begins. Third one is Dwapara Yuga, the Bronze Age. The duration of Dwapara Yuga was 8,66,000 human years. The lifetime of human in Dwapara Yuga was decreased to 1000 years and the height of human was 10 feet. In Dwapara Yuga, virtue stood on 2 pillars like penance and donation. That means people almost left the truth and mercy. Most of the people did not believe in God. If it was necessary, they used to do penance and visit the gods. In this era, people are divided into 4 categories like Kshatriyas, soldiers, Brahmins, and low caste. Caste people affected so many people like Karna. So many wars happened for the lands and kingdoms. The great Mahabharata was held in Dwapara Yuga itself. In this Yuga, Lord Vishnu was born as Sri Krishna and made Pandavas kill Kauravas and established virtue. After so many years of that, Lord Sri Krishna was killed by a hunter in the forest. Like that, Kali Yuga was started with the death of Sri Krishna. And the fourth one is Kali Yuga. Present, we are living in this Kali Yuga. Its duration is 4,32,000 human years. The lifetime of human was decreased to 100 years. Of course, our ancestors lived 100 years, but we are getting death at 60 to 70 years. Our height is decreased to 6 feet. In this Kali Yuga, virtue is standing on only one pillar, that is donation. People left truth, mercy, and penance. 80% of the people stopped believing in God. There is no equality among the humans. There are so many partialities. People are divided into some religions, caste, etc. Politicians became the demons and stealing the people. Everyone is selfish. Fake love and fake friends are existing today. New viruses are coming like corona. Air, water, land, sky, and even fire are getting polluted. Rains are not occurring in time. People are dying of hunger. The water in the ocean became salty. There is no quality in food and things. Poor people are suffering from rich people. Family members are killing each other for the assets and lands. Relationships are being maintained only for the necessaries. People in some countries are maintaining sexual relationship with their siblings. Virtue is being vanished. Unfair is increasing day to day. According to Vedas, Lord Sri Venkateshwara, who is in Tirumala, is the god of this Kali Yuga. In our mythologies, it was written that by the end of this Kali Yuga, Lord Vishnu will be born as Kalki, the 10th and last incarnation in Sambala city, the secret place of Himalayas, to Vishnu Yasa and Sumati, and that Kalki will kill unfair and will establish virtue, and he will show the route to Satyuga, which will start again.